Hi guys, this is a quick snack or even dinner recipe that I made. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take an eggplant and I'm calling this dish eggplant pizzas. So instead of making the crust and stuff, you're gonna just cut up some thin slices of eggplant. I've already washed it. And so maybe about 1/4 of an inch. I like the peel, so I left the peel on. You can take the peels off. It's a super quick and healthy recipe. All right, so I took about half the eggplant. So what we do with these, just lay them out, spread some olive oil on top of them. With a brush, I'm gonna put some. So just kind of helps them make them a little crispy. And then I'm gonna put them upside down. I had turned on the oven on 350, so it's preheated. I'm just putting them upside down, and I'm gonna put just a little bit more on this side. And then we're gonna put in the oven for about 10-15 minutes before we put the toppings. All right, that's it. All right, let's put it in the oven. So about 10 minutes, and we wait. So while the eggplants are cooking in the oven for a little bit, I'm just gonna go over what I'm gonna put on top. We're gonna use the Rouse marinara sauce. It's the best one we like. The flavor's really good. You don't need to add any salt or chili or anything to it. It's perfect. Then we're gonna use the sliced mozzarella on a few of them, and then on a few we're gonna use this Mexican style Kraft cheese, and then sprinkle with basil and oregano. And you can use fresh basil if you want to. So it's super simple. Once those are done in about 10 minutes, we're gonna take them out, put all of this on, and then put them back until the cheese is at your crisp level. Okay, they are done. The reason we put this in the oven is to take out some of the moisture so they don't get soggy when you put the toppings on. All right, we're gonna top the eggplants with the Rouse sauce. Now, on 3 of them, I'm gonna put the mozzarella. So these are slices, so it makes it easier. I'm gonna put it on the bigger ones because it's gonna melt and then I don't want it to ooze out. And there we go. And the other 4, we'll put the shredded Mexican style cheese. You can put other toppings on there too. This is just a plain cheese and eggplant recipe. Now we're gonna sprinkle the basil. All right, and the oregano. You can put Italian seasoning if you have that too. All right, now it's time to be placed back in the oven. Nice and done. The mozzarella cheese oozed out, but that's okay. All right, let's try it.
Go and try the Mexican cheese one first.
I'm gonna try the mozzarella. You guys should try this. It's super simple, quick, within like 20-30 minutes. Thanks for watching this video, guys. We'll see you in the next one.
Thank you.
Bye.